Relatives, friends, and community members, it's Jay and greetings. I'm Craig-Corlew, Chairwoman of the United American Indian Involvement. LA's home for Native people. Over the course of the past few days, a series of executive orders have been issued that threaten funding, program access, and that will dramatically increase immigration enforcement and placing individuals with non-traditional documentation status, including members of tribal nations, at risk of detention. At UAII, we are committed to ensuring that no member of our community faces unnecessary risk, discrimination, or barriers to safety and well-being. That's why we provide access to critical resources, including legal assistance for those navigating documentation challenges, referrals to trusted legal professionals and community organizations, as well as advocacy efforts aimed at systemic change to protect the rights of Indigenous peoples. We recognize that Indigenous peoples should not have to prove their right to exist on their own lands. We will continue to work alongside our community, allies, and legal advocates to push for policies that recognize and protect the sovereignty and dignity of Native and Indigenous peoples. We have wallet-sized Know Your Rights cards available at the front desk for anyone who would like one, or visit our website or social media pages to download and print your own. If you or someone you know needs support, please reach out. Now, we are living in uncertain times, and once again, the federal government's actions are putting lives at risk, particularly the lives of Native and Indigenous people. The current administration has ordered a pause on public communication for several key federal health agencies, including the Indian Health Service, which provides health care to millions of American Indian and Alaska Native people. This directive also affects the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the National Institute of Health and the Food and Drug Administration. This directive only fuels confusion and chaos. But let me be clear, UAII will remain steadfast in our commitment to supporting our community through this time. We will continue to share accurate, up-to-date health information with our community on our website, by email, on Facebook, and on Instagram to ensure our people have access to the services they need. The health and well-being of Native and Indigenous communities have always been overlooked in federal policy, and that is why organizations like UAII exist, to ensure that no one is left behind. No matter what obstacles are placed in our way, we are here and we are strong. And we will continue to weather this storm together. Now, another concerning development has been the current administration's attempted freeze on federal grants and loans. This freeze threatens to impact a wide range of funding, from nonprofit organizations and universities to small business loans and state and local government grants. It's another example of how government actions, without warning or consultation, can send shockwaves through communities like ours that rely on these critical resources. Thankfully, a federal judge issued a stay against this directive on Tuesday, providing some temporary relief. But let's be honest, we've been here before. Whether funding cuts to Indian education, reduction in IHS funding, or previous grant freezes that have impacted our Native programs. But despite the uncertainty, we know this: UAII has always survived and thrived because of our community's resilience and generosity. Our organization was founded in 1974 on the streets of Skid Row in downtown Los Angeles by two empowered American Indian women, a Lakota and a Paiute. From those humble beginnings, we have grown into the largest nonprofit provider of health and human services for American Indians and Alaska Natives in Los Angeles, the largest urban Indian population in the country. But supporting our community with much needed programs like medical, dental, mental health, workforce development, cultural and language preservation, and youth services comes at a high cost. We are proud to say that most of our staff are Native, serving their own community with care and dedication. That's why today we are calling on our donors, allies, and community members to open their hearts and wallets to support our work. If you are able to give, please visit our website and tap the large orange button at the top that says Donate Now. Your contribution, no matter the amount, helps us continue serving Native people in Los Angeles, ensuring that no one is left behind. We have faced challenges before, and we will face them again together. We will ensure that our community is informed, protected, and empowered. With your understanding and support, we will get through this together. Mado, and thank you.